want to show you how to play How Beautiful Heaven Must Be, as sung by Youmans. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, and then we'll go to the introduction after we get the melody. We're in the key of E, and we're going to have a G sharp in there. B, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, E, G sharp, B, G sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, B, B, G sharp, E, G sharp, E, F sharp, E. Then the chorus, B, E, E, G sharp, E, F sharp, E, and then in the background, F sharp, E, G sharp, B, 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 G sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B, 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 G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, B, B, G sharp, E, G sharp, E, F sharp, E. And then we'll do an interlude that'll be just like the intro. Now let's do the intro. You're going to have it E, B, E, A, E, E, B, E, A, E, E. So that's the whole bass for that intro. Now on the right hand, you're going to have B, E, D, C sharp, B, B, E, D, C sharp, B. And then all we got to do is put them together. And then we go right to the melody. Now for the bass there, during the melody part there of the verse, we're going to go E, B, E, B. Now you're in an E chord, E, G sharp, B, but you got the G sharp in the melody. Then we go to a B chord there. So you don't have to play the G sharp, it's already covered in the melody. And we're just going to go open fifth, E, B, E, B, E, B. And then we go to the B chord, we're going to go B, D sharp, F sharp. So we'll play the whole B chord. Now the B chord is white, black, black, white, D sharp, F sharp. I'll go slowly so that you can see it. Here's the B chord. Now the melody is going to be on that F sharp, and then I'll lift off it for the left hand to take that F sharp away from me. Then go right back to the melody, G sharp, B, and then we're back to the E chord. Now here we're going to go E, B, down to C sharp minor. Now C sharp minor is black, white, black, C sharp, E, G sharp. So we're going to go down to the C sharp, G sharp. We'll have the E in the melody right there, so we don't need to play the E. It'd get real muddy if you put that E down there anyway. So we go B, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Here's where we go down. When we hit that G sharp, we're going to hit the C sharp. Then we're back to the E chord again. Now here, you could go, if you go down to get the chorus, you're gonna cross hands. So I go right up to the chorus with this B right here. And then I like to lighten it up just a little bit on that F sharp, E. So you're going to go E, B, E, B. So you're going to do the same chord progression. You got A, E, E, B, E, B, E, B, B, D sharp, F sharp, back to the E, B, C sharp, G sharp, E, B, E, B, E, and then we'll go into that interlude. So the chorus here together. like to do here for a variety is take that interlude. It's just like the introduction, but take it up an octave. And if you want to put a little turn on there, you can. But you don't have to. To put a turn, you just go D, C sharp, B. Then I'd go back down here for this verse. For the third verse, I'd stay up the octave, just for variety. So play the third verse up an octave right there. If you want to slow it down, you can. If you take that third verse up the octave, then you're going to go up an octave with the chorus too. Now we go into the tag. So for the tag, you're immediately going to go to an A chord, A, C sharp, E, and in the left hand you're going to have A, E, then back to the E, B, E, B, back to the A, E, E, B, E, B, A, E. It'll just go back and forth between that. Now on the right hand, you're going to be up here on a C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, B, G sharp, E, G sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, C sharp, B, G sharp, E, G sharp, E, F sharp, E. And then I'd play that tag ending that is instrumental up in that octave, then drop down an octave, slow it down, soften it up a little bit, and then put this on the top, E and G sharp. So you got your B, and then you add the rest of the chord to it. So if we go slowly now, here we go. There you have it, how beautiful heaven must be as it's sung by bird yeomans. I hope you enjoy it.